guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, TS Galaxy 2, Jaxas BS0. I'm joined by Crush Kaizer Chiefs.
Hello, my name is Bangtulili Kamalami Ngoma Africa. Ndaza nakoso makoko. Crush Kaizer Chiefs. Ngithi namhlanje senza history. Friday bengilapha ezindlini zakho zokuhatshela. Ngiphethe iskipper lesi because of Saturday beyidlala. Abantu beJoburg abayazi bathi ngesaba umukoka. And I predicted that is going to be 2-1. And kwaba njalo vele.
Against Umangete.
Against Umangete. Abafana bethu ngibatshela ukuthi le mascot against Extain. Hana Mup. No, ngibani uthando lenkosi ngwenya. Unfortunately azange angene loyo. But beze njalo. So 2 weeks back sibethe iSundowns. Sabetha iOrlando Pirates. Bekumlando loyo. So namhlanje ngasho again ukuthi siyokwenza umlando. So iJack Spear basana abancane mawuthi abagugula akuna next page ini. Bathi ma undercover. But game intelligent bebanganayo next. Bebafana nalaba beba translator.
Kaizer Chiefs.
No, Kaizer Chiefs. Bathi fakana uNdlovu. Bathi no, khipana uNdlovu. Bekangazi game intelligent bekanganayo. So I man of the match yethu nginikeza
ubani.
Mahlambi quality man. And bathene ba replace uMahlambi azange ngizisole. Uyabona uJesus our Jesus no Parker. Bayayazi into yabo. Bathene bakhipha uMahlambi. Bathi no uMahlambi but I know ukuthi Keita is quality.
Is a quality.
Keita is quality. And no Tapi. So we are going forward for Monday. We are looking forward for Monday. So mina anything lamaklapa la i4 wangala
ikhezika uyifuni
final
mara ngidela
marokusala uzabe sisoke Sibo sesizonga msinyazana bengisacela amafensi wethu bangivotele man lapha ku bangivotele man MPSA ama-awards waseMpumalanga so bangavoti ngomlomo kuphela as a best fan angazi mara nandiyabona
you are the best
nandiyabona
you are the best man
Sibo sithokoza nani man okuvula amafensi but iNedbank sicela nayo iyenzele amafensi something sayiba with respect nanoma kungaba ukulala out for lesi sidlala eDurban asilalise out thina sivumela yonke into Nedbank siyabawa manje siyathokoza manje nangumfundisi wami ngibawa ngene ufundisi
asikangeni asithokozile manje
no sithokoza ubuyele